The transmitter narrates that I stated this hadith to Urwa bin Zubair. So he said, Malik bin Aus has spoken the truth. For I have heard Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife. The wives of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wished to dispatch Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, demanding from him 1/8 of the fee. But I prevented them from doing so and said to them, don't you fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? Don't you know that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, we the Prophets alayhimu salam leave no hire. Whatever we bequeath is alms. And he meant himself by it, and the Prophet's progeny would eat out of that property. When I notified them of it, they desisted from doing that. Hazrat Urwa says, this property remained in the custody of Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, and he did not let Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu take over it. It then came into the custody of Hazrat Imam Hassan radiyallahu anhu, then of Hazrat Imam Hussain radiyallahu anhu. Thereafter, Ali bin Hussain and Hassan bin Hassan kept on managing it turn by turn. Then Zaid bin Hassan remained its custodian. It was in fact the largesse of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4034.